Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me, which include hair, makeup, and outfit, inspired by Sophiology here on YouTube. To start out, I always got to moisturize my face. I am using the Melanated Body Butter, Melanated Mojo to be exact. That's the name of the brand. I always use this. This is all I use to moisturize my face and my lips anytime before I start doing any type of makeup on my face. And I have did a review on this product already, so go check it out. So I'm not about to do these brows. Take too long to do them on camera, so I'm gonna just have to magically get them on, and then boom, here they go. They're done. Now it's time for makeup. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Primer. It is the color green. It's the greenish color. It's supposed to blur pores and redness, which it actually do that for me. And I just take a little bitty pea size of that and put that all over my face. I'm going to be setting my lids to do my eyeshadow with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I'm just going to be blending it out with this really cheap beauty sponge. I was about to say beauty blender again. And the palette of the day is gonna be, it's my Ray Ray BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm just gonna take a color that's about the same color as my skin tone to go ahead and set that concealer. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of darker color to go in as my transition shade. I really wanted it to be a very, very subtle look. I didn't want anything that was going to be super popping because don't nobody want to be extra for the summer. It's hot outside and anybody got time for that. And I'm going to be taking my favorite color, this burnt orange color. And like I said, I was packing everything on lightly and just going in, putting that in my crease also. I'm going to take this dark brown color and put that over that because I want this to be very subtle, like I said. So yeah. To top that off, I'm going to be taking this light glittery shade that is in that palette and putting it all over my lids. I don't even put any concealer under it or anything. And I'm going to end up taking another light glittery color to go ahead and put that on my brow bone area. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do my wing with my NYX matte liquid liner. Love this. And for my foundation, as always, I'm going to be mixing the Milani Perfect and Conceal along with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And then I just mix that on this little clear thing that I have that's not even made for that, but whatever. And I take the back of a brush and put it all over my face, and I'm going to blend that out with a brush. Lately, I've been liking blending out my foundation with a brush instead of a beauty sponge. Once everything is nicely blended out, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and put that on my under eyes, of course your nose, you know, all the places that you highlight in. I'm going to be blending it out with that same exact sponge that I used to do my lids. I'm kind of like doing this voiceover in the middle of watching the video, and I kind of didn't watch the video to study the video. I'm just going off based on what I see and my thoughts at the moment. So if you hear me pause, that is why. A trick that I learned from Jackie Ina here on YouTube is to let your concealer sit on your face for about a minute or even less to kind of let it sink into your skin, and I feel like that blend out way better when I do it this way. So thank you, Jackie. And then I'm going to be contouring with that same palette. It's my Ray Ray, and I'm not really a contour junkie. Like even after I contour, I'm still going to end up covering up that contour. I just don't really care for it. And I'm going to take that Maybelline New York Shine Free Loose Powder in the color number 2 to set that. And for my under eyes, I press that into my face and I still end up going back in to wipe it off. To wipe it off, I take a big face, lost my thought, guys, sorry. I take a big powder brush and brush that all over my face. And the color is Coconut for that Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. And then I'm just going to line my waterline with some basic black liner by Profusion. I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray that before I do my highlight. And I'm using Brownie Bite in that same palette. Let me tell y'all, this palette is the GOAT. I already did a review on it. It's my Ray Ray came through, and BH Cosmetics came through with this one, honey. Like I said, I want this makeup look to be very chill, summer-like. Like I don't feel like doing my makeup type. And I'm going to be using that L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I did not want to put on lashes. I'm not a lash person. If you watch my videos, you'll know that I'm not a lash person. And I sprayed my face one last time, and I'm going to line my lips with some Dollar Tree lip liner, honey. And then I'm going to take my favorite gloss, which is the Alyssa Ashley Elf Cosmetic collab. It is bomb. And I'm going to put some Ruby Kisses lip gloss on top of that. Don't really care for this lip gloss, too sticky. But after that, we're going to move on to this hair, hunty. So for my hair, I'm going to be using the Gorilla Snot in the yellow bottle. That is how I'm going to set my edges. You're not going to see me brush around the back of my hair because I already have a design, a crisscross rubber band method design style in the back of my hair. So I'm just brushing my edges with a hard bristle brush, the same brush that I use in all my natural hair videos pretty much. And the only product I'm using to make my hair stay down is Gorilla Snot. And then I'm going to get my hair in a nice little ponytail. And I'm using the headband that I cut and then tied together to wrap around my ponytail. The same headband that I used for my hot puff. And then that's going to create a ball, which I am going to use a rubber band to get that ball all nice and tucked in. I don't want it to be super, super small, a super, super small bun, because I need that bun to make my fake hair look bigger. And you know we got to lay the edges, honey. We got to lay the edges. Some people don't like doing their edges, but I need them because I look like a little man without them. Yes, these edges take time to perfect, and even after all the time, they still not perfect. They still don't be to my likeness, but we just gonna have to make it do what it do and work with what we got, because I ain't even got no baby hairs, honey. I'm gonna take my favorite cheetah print scarf. I need to get a new scarf because I know y'all tired of seeing this one, but I don't care. I love it. And I'm going to put that on my hair, and I'm going to let that set on my hair. I let that set on my hair the whole time I was doing my makeup, so about 25 minutes. And then I take that off, and I need bobby pins and the little cute hair accessories. And of course, you're going to need your fake weave. About one bundle, or sometimes you can use half a bundle to put on your head. And I'm taking a little bit of oil. I use wild hair growth oil because I noticed with the Gorilla Snot, sometimes it can be some white residue. Sometimes it won't be. And then I'm just going to flip that track upside down and wrap it around my head. The first time I lay it on there, of course, you need a bobby pin so you can continue to wrap. Because if you're trying to wrap it without setting it in there with a bobby pin, it's going to come out. So I just wrap that all the way around. Some people put bobby pins, a whole bunch of bobby pins in their head, but that stuff don't feel good. And my hair is secured with just like 3 or 4 bobby pins. So once I finish wrapping that all around my head, then I'm going to put about 2 more bobby pins in it, or maybe even 1. Yeah, I think I'm going to end up putting 1 bobby pin. And then once that bobby pin is in my head, that's when we're going to create our bun. Your bun can be any type of messy that you want, as big as you want, as wrapped around as you want, as cotton candy looking as you want. But I'm very simple with mine. I try to make it look a little messy, but don't really care for the messy look too much. And next time when I do this hairstyle, I'm going to get another off color hair. They didn't have any at the time, but I really wanted to try the number 2 color because my hair is kind of like a brown, not so much of a jet black, but this is all they had at the store. And of course, it's so prominent because you're on the video. It's not as prominent when I'm out in person. I'm going to take these cute little hair clips, accessories, and put them on my head to jazz it up a little bit. This is optional, of course. And then just that simple. The hairstyle is pretty much done. I'm just going to show you how it looks all around and how I did the little crisscross cute little thing in the back. That's about 2 days old, and that's pretty much the hair. And after my hair, we're going to move on to the outfit after I finish showing you this hair and makeup. So my outfit is pretty much this cute little romper one piece from Fashion Nova, baby. I can buy designer, but this Fashion Nova fit. And it was like $24, probably even less than that. And then for the shoes, I got these shoes from DD's Discount. If you don't know what DD's Discount is, it's like another merchandiser along with Ross. It's like a cheaper version of Ross. And I got those for like $24. Guess they're cute little white shoes with a little silver stripe. And yeah, that's my outfit. that is pretty much it for this video. Guys, let me know how you feel about these 3-in-1s get ready with me, because I definitely stepped out my comfort zone with this one. My daughter had to help me record because I never had to record like any of my outfits. But that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, especially Instagram. I'm trying to be more active on there, so definitely follow me on there, and of course subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.